Assalamualaikum, I'm Hamza the scientist and welcome to my laboratory. Today I'm going to show you an experiment in which I'm going to make a cloud in a bottle. Now all of you know what clouds are, but what the mystery is what clouds are made up of. Clouds are made up of three: water in its invisible gaseous form called water vapor, dust and smoke and other pollution, and air pressure. So to make the cloud, first we need a 2-liter bottle half filled with water. Then we need matches, and for air pressure we are going to squeeze the bottle. Next we need smoke and other pollution. For now I'm going to light the match. But for the match you need adult supervision, and I have an adult over here. Can I light this match? So now I'm going to light. Now you have to light the match, quickly put it in the bottle and immediately close the lid. I asked you to close the lid as soon as I put the match in. Now we have trapped the smoke and other pollution in here. Now when we are going to squeeze it, can you see the cloud being formed? You are going to have to squeeze it quite a lot. And now our cloud is ready. Look, we have a cloud here at the top of the bottle. And if we keep on squeezing it or put in more matches, it can turn out better.
Your hand is very close.
Now watch. This looks like a real cloud, doesn't it? Remember, safety first. Do not do this experiment without an adult. And this is Hamza the scientist signing off.